Welcome to the research world. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download and install RStudio. Let's start. Click on the link provided in description of this video. As you click on the link in the description, this page will open. You can see that there are two options. One is the Install R, and the second one is Install RStudio. So first of all, click on the Download and Install R. A new window will just appear. And here, there are three options you can see. Download R for Linux, Download for R for the Mac, and the last option is Download R for Windows. So click on the Download R for Windows if you are using the Windows 10 or 11 now, then click on the Install R for the first time. Click on this option Download R for Windows. You can see that it just started downloading, so wait for the few seconds. Once the download has been finished, open the folder, double-click to install the R, select your language. Click Next. Choose your location for R in your Windows. Click Next. Click Next. You can see that installation has been started on my Windows. So once the installation has been done, click on this Finish option. Now proceed to the next step, that is, download the RStudio for the Windows, click on it, and downloading has been started. Wait for the few minutes that the RStudio gets download on your Windows. You can see that the RStudio has been downloaded successfully. Open this file and follow the steps. Click Next. Choose the location. Where do you want to save this program? Click Install and wait for the few seconds. Installation has been done. Now, click Finish. Now in the search bar, type RStudio, and you can see that the RStudio has been successfully installed on my Windows. Thank you for watching.